Josh Helton. I'm the Native Instruments DJ product specialist for the Midwest. Cover Chicago, Detroit, places like that. And what I've got today is the new Kontrol X1 from Native Instruments for Traktor. It is designed to give you hands-on control of all of the functions that you would want as a DJ in Traktor. You've got your effects section here, which gives you the hands-on control of all of your effects, all of your parameters, your buttons for turning things on and off. You can even use the shift function to search different effects of the 20-something plus effects available in Traktor. Along with that, you have a browse function that will allow you to browse in your browser window or flip open to a full browser menu and then browse, find the track you want, push the button, it loads, you're right in there, your track's set up, ready to go. You've got your effects buttons that you can assign each deck to effects 1 or 2. If you have another controller, it assigns to 3 and 4. You have a section here which is your looping section. Looping section, once you get the track going, you take the track, push the button, loop is engaged. You can change the size of the loop very easily just by turning the knob. If you want, you have a manual loop section where you can set the loop and do it on your own. Pull the loop out. You have a beat jump where you can jump back and forth. You have your cues. You also have your transport here, which is your play and your sync button. Along with that, you have the ability to set hot cues, which are points in the song that you're going to want to get to. You've got 8 of those, so you can jump around to each of those. The light here says, okay, I'm assigned. I've got a hot cue right there on track 1, but if I want to set another one, all I have to do, push the button, the hot cue's set, I get right back to it. So out of the box, plug it into Traktor, load the driver, the thing just works, has all the functions that you're going to want. Along with that, we have a shift MIDI mode, which then takes the entire controller and leaves it up to you to assign it to what you want. And in that, you have the entire section of knobs, buttons, everything to assign, plus an additional set that you can assign every one of those knobs with a shift key. So out of the box, this thing gives lots of power to a Traktor user, whether you're using turntables, mixing internally. It just opens the door for you to not have to touch your computer. You can DJ and perform for people by using tactile knobs. And for the Serato users, we didn't leave you out either, because we've got an overlay lays right across this here that will assign all of the functions for your sampler and all of the other MIDI functions that you use in Serato. Go to nativeinstruments.com, check out the Kontrol X1, look up the Serato templates, you'll find exactly what I'm talking to you about there. And again, I'm Josh Helton, Native Instruments product specialist. 1, 2, 3 DJ.